English Learning Podcast.
Learn English, clear, easy, and fast.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I am Jack.
And I am Sarah. Today, let me ask you a very important question. Are you listening to me right now and understanding my words?
You probably understand almost everything we say, but what happens when you try to open your mouth and speak English to a real person?
Does your mind suddenly go completely blank? Do you forget your vocabulary? Do you feel nervous, shy, and quiet?
If your answer is yes, please do not worry. You are not broken. Your brain is perfectly fine. This is the most common problem for English learners everywhere.
Today, we will explain exactly why this happens to your brain, and we will give you 5 simple secrets to fix it forever.
So, let us start. Why do you understand English, but you cannot speak it? The answer is simple. Listening and speaking are 2 completely different skills. They use different muscles in your brain.
Think about driving a car. You can sit next to a driver every single day. You can watch them use the steering wheel. You can watch them press the brakes. You understand exactly how driving works.
But if someone puts you in the driver's seat, can you drive the car perfectly on your first day? No, you will be very nervous. You will probably make mistakes. Your hands will shake.
Learning English is exactly the same. Listening to us is like watching the driver. Speaking is when you actually try to drive the car yourself. You cannot learn to drive just by watching. You have to practice doing it.
In your school, your teachers probably gave you heavy books. You practiced reading. You practiced listening to audio files. You memorized difficult grammar rules.
But you never practiced your speaking muscle. So your listening muscle is very strong, but your speaking muscle is very weak.
Also, we have 2 types of vocabulary in our brain: passive vocabulary and active vocabulary.
Passive vocabulary is like a huge library inside your head. When you hear a word, you recognize it. You know what it means, but the books are locked behind a glass door.
Active vocabulary are the words you can actually use quickly when you speak. Right now, your passive library is huge, but your active library is very small.
Do not worry. We can break that glass door. We can move the words from the library to your tongue. We can make your speaking muscle strong again.
Here is secret number 1. You must stop trying to be perfect.
This is the biggest wall in your mind. You understand native speakers, so you want to sound exactly like them. When you can't find the perfect word, you feel embarrassed, so you choose to say nothing.
Please give yourself permission to make mistakes today. Native speakers make mistakes every single day. We forget words, we use the wrong grammar, sometimes we stutter, but we do not stop talking.
Native speakers do not care about your grammar mistakes. We do not judge you. We just want to connect with you as a human being. We just want to understand your message. If you use the wrong verb, it is okay. If you forget a word, just use your hands to show what you mean, or use a much simpler word. Communication is always more important than perfection.
Secret number 2. Stop translating in your head.
This is a very bad and stressful habit. When someone asks you a question in English, what do you usually do?
First, you translate the English question into your native language. Second, you think of the answer in your native language. Third, you try to translate that answer back into English.
This process takes 3 or 4 seconds. In a real conversation, 3 seconds of silence is a very long time. It makes you feel slow. It makes you feel stressed. And then you panic and forget everything.
How do we stop doing this? You must practice thinking directly in English. Start with very small things around you.
When you are alone in your house, look at physical objects and say their names in English. Say, "This is a wooden table. This is a cold window. I am drinking hot water."
Don't translate the word table in your head. Just look at the object and connect it to the English word. Let your brain see the world in English.
Now let us talk about secret number 3. You must practice speaking out loud when you are completely alone.
This is the most powerful secret of all. When you are alone, nobody is judging you. Nobody is looking at you. You are completely safe to make 100 mistakes.
When you watch our podcast, do not just listen silently in your comfortable chair. Pause the video and repeat our sentences out loud. This trains the physical muscles in your mouth.
Talk to yourself in the bathroom mirror. Tell yourself about your day while you take a warm shower. Read a book out loud in your room.
You can even talk to your dog or your cat in English. They are very good listeners and they will never correct your grammar.
If you talk to yourself out loud every single day, your brain will get used to hearing your own voice in English. Then you will not feel nervous when you talk to a real person outside.
Secret number 4. Keep it simple and start very small.
Many learners try to talk about difficult topics too soon. They try to talk about politics or science or history, and then they fail and they feel bad about themselves.
You do not need to do that. Start by talking about your breakfast. Start by talking about the weather outside. Start by describing the clothes you're wearing today.
Use the simple words you already know. Say things like, "The sun is shining today. I'm wearing a blue shirt. I'm feeling a little tired."
Slowly, your active vocabulary will grow. It takes time, so please be patient with yourself.
And finally, secret number 5, the 5-minute daily rule.
Consistency is the key to success. Speaking English for 5 minutes every single day is much better than speaking for 3 hours on Sundays.
Your brain needs daily exercise. Just 5 minutes of speaking out loud every day will completely change your confidence in a few months.
We want to prove to you that you can speak English right now. We are going to do a simple practice together.
We are going to ask you 3 simple questions. We want you to press the pause button. Do not think about perfect grammar. Just open your mouth and answer the question out loud.
Are you ready? Here's the first question. It's about the past. Pause the video now and answer it. Sarah, ask the first question. Question number 1. What did you eat for breakfast this morning? And was it delicious?
Did you pause the video? Did you speak out loud? Very good. Now let us do question number 2. This question is about the present moment.
Remember, pause the video and just speak. Look around you. Jack, ask the second question.
Question number 2. Where are you right now, and what are you doing?
Excellent job. You are doing wonderful. Now we have one final question. This time, I will ask you a question about the future.
Take a deep breath, pause the video, and speak out loud. Sarah, ask the final question.
Question number 3. What are you going to do this weekend to relax and have fun?
Wow! If you paused the video and spoke out loud 3 times, Congratulations! You just practiced your speaking muscle. You just proved that you can do it.
You see? You already have the words inside your brain. You just need to practice letting them out of your mouth.
Start small. Speak a little bit every single day. Accept your mistakes and be very proud of your progress. You are doing much better than you think you are.
We believe in you. Please go to the comments section right now. Tell us, do you have this problem? Do you understand English but feel shy to speak? Write your feelings in the comments. We want to read your stories. Sharing your problem with others is the first step to fixing it.
If this video helped you feel better and more confident today, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
We are here to help you every step of the way.
Goodbye, my friends. See you next time.